What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to put to the test Eco Fire Starters with the Easy Light wicks. Check this out, this is what makes them unique. I never seen Easy Light wicks. It looks like candles, but the whole thing will get on fire and it says it will burn up to 20 minutes. This is quite bulky, so not so much camping. I mean, you can grab a few of them with you as well, not the whole pack. But I see a lot of value in this thing by daily uses in your bonfires or fireplaces. So let's light it up and see what they're all about. So I'm just gonna be using matches, 20 minutes each one of them. How many is it in here? This is so cool. Also it says charcoal, barbecues, fireplace and bonfire, so I said that. Okay, 96 of them. That's crazy. Wow, I might start buying them for myself because it's a lot easier to start a fire with already a little wick in here, and that wick looks like a wax. Anyways, I got a little bit of wood over here. Let's start the fire. Okay, I'm going to use waterproof matches. Just looks like it's the easiest. Grab it and light up the wick like that. Feels like it's some kind of saturated wax or something, like a candle. Pretty awesome. And what I want to see before I'm gonna put a bunch of stick on it, will this whole thing set on fire by itself, or do I need to hold it upside down or stuff like this? You know what I mean, to get it going. I'm just gonna set it like that, because if it does get itself on fire, the whole thing, without going out, that would be amazing. That's gonna be one of a kind wick for sure. So let's just wait and come back to it in a minute. But obviously it's going to burn for 20 minutes. I don't see why not. It's a really big fire starter piece, and I love it that you can grab it and carry it around if you don't like the first spot you put it in. Okay, 30 seconds later, check this out, that the whole thing is on fire. So that's what I was worried about. Will it work from the wick? And as you can see, no problem. So I believe this thing is going to burn 20 minutes, no problem. I have had a lot of experience with this kind of fire starters. They're pretty dense, they're going to burn a long time, so not going to time it. I trust them, but yeah, just going to get little fire going, bonfire in this case. But you know what, we had lots of rain, it's a little bit wet. I don't need any kind of paper, I don't need any kind of grass, especially when the grass around here is wet. Even this twig's a little bit wet too, no problem. You see how that fire starter is still mainly burning, getting the smaller twigs on fire. Quite a bit of smoke because all this wood is quite wet. But it's not a problem for this fire starter. It's just going to dry it out and everything going to get on fire. I don't know if you can see, but there is still a little bit of flame going here and there. Okay, we'll come back in 5 minutes. You can just see by the smoke how wet everything is, and without those fire starter I don't think I would have be able to start that fire. But as you can see, right inside of it, it's so hot. All those twigs are burning well. Now you can even hear it sizzle in the water out of the moist wood. Alright, we got it going. So yeah, one of a kind fire starter, 96 of them, one of them a day, so 96 days per pack if you only use one a day. That is pretty awesome deal and easy to start a fire, even with very wet of firewood. You saw how much smoke it was and it was struggling. Now we have here pretty decent bonfire. I didn't add a lot of firewood, but as you can see, it's burning. It's just so sunny, you can't see the flames that well. But yeah, if I could put even more firewood, more smaller twigs, it would have been burning even better.